Recording has started. So good. Let's start the. So recording has started. Let me now focus. Now, these three things that you see on the screen, my own Excel can do it. Most of Excel does not have, if you are using Excel that is below 2021, you can't have XLOOKUP in your function. What am I saying? If I put equals to XLOOKUP, you see, it brought it out. If you check it on your laptop, maybe you are in 2019, 2016, 2010, the lies, you can't have XLOOKUP for your system. Now, when I came back, I was given the privilege to use one of the powerful Microsoft Office, which is Microsoft 365, which is very powerful. So I have XLOOKUP in my own. I can use XLOOKUP and do whatever I want to do. Now, but if you look at your system and you press VLOOKUP, I think VLOOKUP from 2016 to 2019 Microsoft Office, you should have VLOOKUP. If I'm not mistaken, 2010 should not, probably have or not, I don't know. But VLOOKUP should be on most everybody that is using laptop right now. If you have VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUP is, I think, started from 2010. Yes, 2010 to this period. So this is it. But they are all related. We even have HLOOKUP as well. Some people, there's what we call HLOOKUP. I'll tell you what it means. Everybody has their own meaning. HLOOKUP means horizontal. You are looking at something horizontally. You are looking at something horizontally. While VLOOKUP means you are looking at something vertically. You are looking at something vertical, in vertical shape. You are looking at something in vertical. So, but index match, what's now index match doing in this whole story that I'm be saying? XLOOKUP do the two function. Now let me do the math. You see, HLOOKUP, lookup plus VLOOKUP is equals to XLOOKUP. That's what it means. It means that the combination of HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is equal to XLOOKUP. That is, XLOOKUP can do the both function of H and VLOOKUP. That's what it means. HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP can be done by XLOOKUP. That is it. That's why Microsoft owners came up with 2015, 2016, whatever thing they did, which is 2021 Microsoft Office that they just produced. So now, what is now index? Just saying that, okay, do you know that you can actually do the same thing? Index match. You can also do index match. That is relating to what is this thing saying? All of these that I've just mentioned. Index can also do the same thing. That is, I can do index of everything on this platform. We will still work on it. Everything on this platform to be equals to this and that. Now, before we do example, let us look at it. Now, index match can do the work of XLOOKUP, but XLOOKUP is the best to use. The reason why I'm trying to take you on the two sides because you might be giving a different type of laptop or Microsoft Office, different versions. So instead of it to be sagging about it, I'll say, what I would like to do like this now. This is that I only learned XLOOKUP, and I was not told what is VLOOKUP or what I was not told what is index lookup, what is a match lookup, what is whatever. There's no problem about it. That's why we are doing this too. The purpose of everything I'm doing here is for one purpose, which is doing things in different ways. You know, they said, the Bible said, Onokon Waja. In other words, it means that you can't go, there are many ways that link to what? A particular joint. But you're all going for the same purpose, which is I'm going there, I'm going there, I'm going there. So that is the reason why we arrange all these things like this. Let's look up keys everything here. Let's look up this and look up. It keys everything here. Everything you are doing here. Once you have a look up, don't forget about it. You are done with the job. ASAP, you are done with the job. You are actually done with the job. Straight. Once you have a look up on your table, you are already done. So we also have index match. What are we calling index match? Please, so I'm not only taking you how to do data analysis, I'm taking you how to understand what is inside. When you hear the word index match, the person is telling you that inside index, there is match inside. Let me show you something. I don't know if this will work because I don't have the data yet. Look at this now. I tab it. Look at what the array. He said the array. See, all these things that you see here. Look at it. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes.
Okay, good. What about every other person? Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can, please. Go ahead.
Okay, good. Okay. So now, index match, look at this now. When I put equals to, there's a tab is and I have index. The answer I should look for the array. I will explain everything one after the other. All these things. I will explain them one after the other till we able to get it. So you are starting now. Let's look up, VLOOKUP, index, match, and index, match index or index match. So let's look at the differences. Let us bring out the data set. Let's open a plain sheet. I'll say I should bring up a existing data, but let me show you. You have existing data that you can use. Coming up. Oh no, this will work here. Now, let's just start something. Let's get let me find a name of people name. Sorry. Okay, you see adding to the index section. Oh. Let me clear everything so as let's use a data set for example. Let's say the names, name, name. Let's say we have phone numbers, um, gender, gender, what again? Can we just say their birthday? I'm trying to check the data says birthday. What again can we check? Probably the address of these people or location. Maybe we only send message to people as a complaint. Like Google used to send message to us. So the location of all these people. Now let us give me. Can anybody just volunteer to give me names? Just names. I'll put my own name first.
Adetutu.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Adetutu. So we have Miss Adetutu. So let's say we have Adetutu, Mike. I think we have Jide, Grave. I think we have Mr. Ayola as well. Ayola John. Let's form another type of his name. Let's say so we have Liam. We have Philip, Mark. So for now we should be upgrading them. So let's just form a number. I can just form a number to work itself. It doesn't mean it should be correct. Just form a number. So we are forming this already. We are almost done. I have a data set, but I want you to see the reality of all this shit. So we'll be on the same page. This is 09045678891. So we have last person 08123456712. So for now, the gender we can just form it male. Let's say male again. Male. Male. So male. Female. So male. So only one female. Then their birthday can just use 20th November. 10th November. 12th December. 10th June. 11th July. So we have the last 2%, 13th December, 28th April. So location, Ibadan. Sean, Bayelsa, Calabar, Kaduna, or Abuja. We have Borno, and then say Ekiti. So now the work is about to start. Now we now have the data set. You can upgrade it. You can improve the data set later. Now this is it. We want to look out for a data set that is very long, like this. Let's say the thing is very large. You want to check the phone number for, let's say, this Olumide or whatever shit. So you now say, okay, because the thing is very large, you now use lookup. This is just lookup. Let me just show you something. You are looking for phone number. Phone number of, you are looking for phone number of maybe Olumide, Ademide. You are looking for this phone number of this person. You are assuming that they have, this thing is very many. So and now, this is the phone number of person you are looking for. Olumide, you are looking for his phone number. So how do we get it? Assuming that we have a very large data set now. Among the whole data set, we are looking for a whole range of data sets. Now, what do? You can say, okay, let's do it first. Let's look up. Yes, we are looking up. Now, he said, look up value. Look up value. The look up value is, you are trying to look for this person. This person is what we are looking for. This person. Olumide, look up value. You can lock it. Sorry, Mr. Mayola, can you tell us how do we lock a cell? Now, teach you absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. Can you remind us how we can lock a data set, a cell? You need to remember how you lock a cell reference. So how do you do absolute reference?
To close it or to lock.
Yeah, you want to lock this this place now. Where we are, as other data sets inside of it, it might be correlated to other data set. How do we lock it? This cell.
By putting brackets.
What?
Brackets at the end.
Bracket. No, I'm not locking. I told you something about pressing the F4. Look at it. Can you see something on the screen? F4. When I press F4, there will be $sign at the G and $sign at the number front. Let me remove this. Let me remove my stuff first. Oh, sorry. Look at this thing. There's $sign. Okay, let me write it out somewhere. Let's cancel this thing first. Let's cancel it. When you want to see, everybody that is in the screen, if you can hear me. Look at this point. Look at where my I click on this thing. What can you see here? What can you see, everybody? Sorry. Oh yeah, now can you hear me? What can you see?
G159. G159.
G what?
159.
559. And what was written there? What was this saying to you? He said, name of the box. What? Name box, Sabi? You can see name box somewhere there. Below the G159, there's a name box. So this place is called cell reference. So G59. I'm coming. Let me go to somewhere that we can talk. We can write. We need to write. Let's write on the screen too. You see, G159 that you just see. That place is known as what? Relative cell reference. Relative cell reference. And why is it called relative cell reference? Maybe you want to ask me that question. Why is it relative cell reference? This is because it doesn't have anything that is attaching to it. It is relatively naive. It can write anywhere on the spreadsheet. You can write anywhere on the spreadsheet. You can write anywhere. That's why it's relative. You can be anywhere. I can write anything on the cell reference, on the what, on the reference. So that's why you call it relative. When it's now becoming absolute cell reference, see, there is absolute. Absolute cell reference. Absolute cell reference now have different things. One of the things absolute cell reference have is that at the back of it, there is this sign. There is only this sign. Let's say G159. Look at this. G159. And in some cases, you can have G159 as well. And in some cases, you can have G159 like this. These are absolutes. This thing. This one. Now, let me now explain what this one means. When you have a dollar sign at the back of the G, go back to your spreadsheets. Let's go and talk about it. Now, the G represents what? The column, are we? Why this place that they numbered represents what? The row. So column and row. Column and row. Column and row now. So when you have a column, when you lock your column, probably that you are doing something. You are doing something like I think maybe multiplication table. You want to multiply everything that is. Let me just we'll test everybody now. You will test, we have to put this into test. So it will be clear. And this place is absolute. This one, it is absolute. Absolute. That means you lock the row, you also lock the column. You lock the row, lock the column. This one you lock only the row, this one you lock only the column. So how do we get to know this? Is by practicing something like, let's say, oh, you are taking me again, but I need to explain it. Let's say we want to do multiplication table now. Let's say we have 1 times 2. Just simple multiplication table. 3, 4, and 5. It's okay like that. So multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count 6, 7, 8. You can only do this. Yes. No, let me just stay like this. 9 and 10. So now let's put what? Let's put it will look up, please. Everyone should look up. Let's put the sign. Let's say we are multiplying this one by, look at the multiplication sign by this. Press enter. You see, you put 1 for us. Then I'll put it for everybody. You see what happens? You guys see what happens? You see what happened? Is 149 times P148, which is this one. Correct. When we multiply to the next one, 150 multiplied by 150 is correct, Abby. Now, when we get here, what happened? 151 multiplied by 150 is now changing position from here. See, 3 times 2 now. Because before it was 1 times 1. Now it's not 2 times 1. Now 3 times 6, 4 times 6, 5 times 6, 6 times this, like that. You see, it's not working. Why is it not working? So in case it can be in the state where you have something like this too. Why is it not working? I mean, there's nothing we have not done that we need to do. what are we going to do? That for us to be able to solve this problem. Let's do it this way. Yeah, other one equals to, we pick this one again. We need to lock this thing. But let's do something. Let's say we not lock. Let's lock only the what? The row, the column, which is the X, the whole. So you'll be seeing the difference now. We lock, let's lock the O, the one of O now. So we have locked the column. Multiply it by the one now. This one. Let's see if we have saved. It works. Now let me check if it will work totally. You see, the same, he hasn't stopped the same problem. So it means that there is a movement of the column is, he locked the column, but he didn't lock the row. It's still moving. There is still a movement. So what is he saying is that some cases, there will be cases where you have to just lock everybody. Then let's add the second S. Let's see. Each is going to be working now. You have locked the two. Let's now check. See. Now, what do you think happened now? We absolutely lock all these things. That means now multiply 1 times 1 with this 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. See the end. It's not moving downward. It's not moving to this place at all. You only say 1 times 1, that's what you did. So the absolute reference and calculated reference is so complicated when you are doing a lot of data sets. So what am I saying is that we need to work until you understand the concept that when you are locking a cell, know what it means. At this point now, I've locked the cell. I'm saying only multiply this one alone for me. Multiply this alone for me. That's what I mean. That's what I told the Excel, which is wrong. If I want you to multiply this time this, I want you to multiply this time this time this time this like that. So I need to look at okay. If this thing is telling me I'm wrong. Now equals to, always remember equals to first. So let me lock the column. I'm trying to show you an example. I know what to do. So you know a case where you have to meet up all these things. Then I'll go with this first. Now, in this one, I lock the row, which is 149. I lock it. Look at it. There's a symbol here. But I don't lock this one. So I want one. What do I need? I need 1 times 1. 1 times 2. That's what I need. See again. It's not bringing this. It's not bringing effort. It's showing just all of this. So there are many cases like this that you're like, you face a lot in data analysis. So now what are we doing now is that it's so simple. You are going to be using, we are multiplying 1 times this, Abby. You are not meant to lock this column. You are meant to lock this one. Press F4. Let's go. Now let's not check now. See it. Any question, please? Because I think it might be looking like a abracadabra now. Any question, please? Can you all hear me? Because everywhere is quiet.
Yes.
What's the question, please?
Just redo it again. Though you might not just redo it. That's simple.
Okay. Okay. What about Mr. Adejutu, sir? Sir?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions, sir? Based on the absolute reference and cell reference.
Sorry?
Do you have any question based on the cell reference that I just explained?
Okay.
Do you have any question? Or you are busy
Not
with
yet.
not yet,
Not
okay.
yet.
All right. Now, let me do it again. Do that. First thing, understand what you are going to do. What we are doing now is that we want this one here, this one, to multiply everybody here like this. Right? So we can't lock this one, this row, this column, because we want it to be moved. See, let me go back to my word. This place, once you do this to a cell, this thing that you do here, once you do it to a cell, it means that you are telling a cell that a cell, someone is coming in back. Who is that person? He didn't left earlier. Okay. Once you have something like this, it means that you are telling Eze that Eze, take only this cell for me. That's what you are telling Eze that take only this cell for me. Take only this cell for me. That's what it means. Take only this cell for me. Only. Once you have done this. So if you take this thing that I just mentioned in a layman said that, okay, take only this thing for me. I want only one. I want this one right here to multiply everybody here. That's what I want. I want this one to multiply everybody like this. So I cannot load this play because relative self-reference means it multiply every. It's just like saying that okay, this one, this place now, this relative self-reference. It means that multiply anywhere. When you say relative, it is not one of the characteristics of relative self-reference that it is not locked. One of the characteristics that is not locked. It can be changed. It can be changed. It can be changed. It can be changed. It can be moved. So it is varies as well. So look at what they have. He has characteristics of varies, moved, changed, locked. It's not locked. You cannot lock. But the characteristic of this one is locked. It can't move anyhow. It can't be varied. So for this place, we want the column side to be varied. We want the column side to be what? To be varied, to change. We want it to change. But you don't want this one to change because this is only one. You want it to be multiplying this, multiplying this, multiplying this, multiplying this. 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2, 3, 1 times 2, 3, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 7, 7, 1 times 8, 8, 1 times 9, 9, 1 times 10, 10. So what do we do? Equal sign. Pick one. This is this. Multiply by asterisk by this one. That's why you want that one to multiply everybody here. You have tested the whole section. You have tested all sections. You see, it doesn't work. But because we want only that one that is showing red to multiply the one that is showing blue down. What do? We lock it by pressing F4. F4. We press F4 to lock cell. We press F4 to lock cell. For you to do this, shortcuts is to press F4. Is to press F4 on your screen, on your keyboard. Press F4 on your keyboard. Press F4 on your keyboard. And that will do this for you. Do this. So exactly what happened here now. Immediately I press F4, you can see that there's a dollar sign at the back of P and dollar sign at the words at the back of 148. Once I press enter, you have 1. So once I drop down this thing here, I double click it, it will do it automatically. This is 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 1, 2, 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 5 times 1 times 5, 1 times 6, 1 times 7. And you can also do it like dragging them to this side. So this is it. We have this. No, now let's now also check. Let's do it in another way around. I think it's getting clearer now. Let me just do it in another way around so you can see where we are actually going. Sorry, who is with the laptop there? I hope everybody is with their laptop. Who is not with the laptop, please? Because it's in practice that you make it perfect, though. Now, let's check this. We are not even doing our S lookup. Oh, God. So, let's check this. Now, remember, we want to multiply this by this. Let's log the row alone. See it. I'll log this place. Multiply it by total log of this one. F4 to log everything. So now, let's look. You see what happened? Later, I also looked the roll. Look at what he brought. He brought only one. Now let's go back. Let's go back again. Let's remove. Then let's log the roll again. Let's log only the column. Let's see. See. You see, give us the same answer. When we log only the row, only the column, give us the same thing. So 1 times 1, 1, 1 times, yes. So you have every opportunity. That's why you must learn it in the right any way that you understand it. So the easy way to understand is that just leave it without blocking one of the reference. Just block this alone. Look at it here. Look at the formula I use. Let me put it on the keyboard, on my word. Let me take it on my word. Sorry. So this is what I use. So this is the function I use. Look at it. This is the function I use. The cell reference where we have the word 014159 multiplied by the logged reference, which is the 1. That place that you have 1, multiplied by everybody. 1 times 1, 1. The next one will be P. Let me show you the everything. Now, so enter first. See it. So now let's go and copy the formula for 10. You want this 10? Let me copy the formula for 10.
Sorry, please. How do you double tap it before it brings out everything?
You double tap
from
this.
2 to 10.
You double tap this. There's one box at the bottom here.
Because I'm also doing it on my system.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me show you again. Let me show you again. Maybe you are not getting it. Look at it. I'm trying to go back to where I'm coming from. So at this point, look at it. Look at this place here. This thing. You see it? It's showing plus, Sabi? My cursor is showing me plus. I'll double click it. I'll click it twice. Back. It will just do everything automatically for you. You get?
Okay, I've gotten it. Okay, thank you.
All right, good. So this is a cell reference when you talk about self-referencing, they might ask you. Self-referencing, we have relative and absolute. So, so like, can you share your screen with us so you can do it? You can help us with number this 1 times 2. You want to go for 2 now. Can you share your screen with us? Or that place you are is noisy or something?
Let me try and do that. Let me try and do it.
Oh yeah, try. So let's you have my assistant teacher today, so let's work.
It's just for me to share the screen. I mean, the share place, I will just click the share.
I've stopped sharing mine, so it's your turn now. I will allow you to share it. Just tell me anything you see, so I can allow you to share.
Okay.
You are with your laptop now, you should be able to see it fast.
Yes.
Have you seen share?
Yes, I will click. I've seen entire screen.
No, is this screen? Yeah, entire screen, yes. Okay. So you are coming up.
Can you
Okay,
see
good.
it?
Yeah, your screen is off. So let's
Okay.
have you. I want you to multiply number the 2 for us.
Okay. You can see it now, right?
Sure.
Okay. Equal sign.
Equal sign, okay.
Yes. Times. I know this is not where I'm supposed to do it. Hold on, please. Let me redo it.
So if you have the flow,
Okay.
you have the flow, don't hey.
Okay. Equal sign. This times this. I should also lock it, right?
I won't say anything. You are the one in charge. I want to see. Okay. Oh yeah. So are you correct? You should know you now. I think this is correct. 20, 2,
Yes,
4,
yes.
6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. Yeah. So what pattern? Go back to the first. What do you use? Like what do you actually use? Do you just leave the relative reference for the row from this side? Can you explain what you for the first go to your first one? That 2 times 1, I think 2 times 1. What do you use there? 2 times 1, Abby. Let me see
Yes.
your
What
formula.
did I
Let me
do?
see. Let me see
Okay,
your
my
formula
formula.
for the
For,
for the
for the
first
first
part. For
one,
the first no, that's number 1. That's the next one.
this is number 1.
No, long ahead. Good. Okay, you only lock 2. Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem.
That's right.
That's why it's good to follow up. Yes. As we are doing it, as I'm doing it, that's why you're able to get it so easy like this. That's why. All right. Okay. Any other person I want to try? Mr. Jide, do you want to try as well? Are we to your system? Mr. Jide?
Can I stop my sharing now?
You can stop. Yes. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Mr. Jide having issue with network or what? All right. Because of our time, we need to move ahead. So that is you have done the 2. So let us also work our own here as well. 1 multiplied by. So we say we can finish this one out for an F4 to lock it. So we double tap, and that's all for that. You also go for the next one. So when you are in a place like this, when you have a lot, you have to lock yourself. Remember, absolute self-reference is very important. Lock it. So I'm able to give you exactly what you want. So we have equals to sign. F4 So, and the last one, before we move back to our major stuff for the day. So, and that's it. You can, it's your work. You can do anything you want to do for you. You know, easy to do the job.
Please, we can't see
So,
your screen again. You're not sharing your screen again.
oh, sorry. I hope I'm still recording. That's very purpose. Okay, I'm still recording. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, you can see.
All right, so I'm done with my own multiplication table. I want to table it. Can you remind me what I said? How can you table this kind of fund? Like putting on the table automatically. As, what?
Control T.
Yeah, good. Control T, confirm. Control T, automatic. So I don't have header for this one. There's no header. So this is my table. I can remove this. I can remove the header. So this is just to beautify the work. I can remove the header, what do you call it? This header, because I don't have header. So to see, can I remove it too? Now, let's go back to our work, I beg. So now we are back to our S lookup, index match, because the reason why we have to go back to, because we need to know the points where we need to use as this reference. In the point where we have a lot of data sets on that spreadsheet, we need to be very careful with what we are doing. So because of that, that's why I have to deviate a little. Not really a deviation, just more of knowledge. It's very important in as well. We have to know it. Now, let's go with this. Working with our S lookup now. Tab. Your system might not have S lookup. I don't know. Do you have S lookup on your screen, on your system? Eh? Esayo, do you have Mr. Yola? No. So that's is it the reason why I have to teach you?
I want to try it. I'm not sure if I have it.
I don't think you have it. Which Microsoft Office are you using? Which year? 2010, 16?
Yes, it's not 2016. I think it's 2010.
2010. I don't think you have. It's only VLOOKUP. Check VLOOKUP on the screen. Do you have VLOOKUP? Press equal sign and see maybe there's a VLOOKUP on the screen on your system.
Yes, there's VLOOKUP.
So let's use VLOOKUP then. Let's use VLOOKUP. Start. You can walk ahead with us. I think others are not with their system. So we are looking for VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is our first VLOOKUP now. We are looking for the lookup value. The lookup value, which is we are looking for this bros here. So there's a need for us to this lookup value. This is what we are looking for. Comma. We have picked that, but Olumide is what we are looking for on this. That's the lookup value. Lookup value is what are you actually looking for? That we call it. They say lookup value. What exactly are you looking for? That's looking for value in the name and sense that this is the person. This name is what I'm looking for, but I'm looking something about particular about this person. So lookup value is that this is what the lookup value means your purpose, the purpose of running this function. The main purpose for running this function is that I'm looking for something relating to Olumide Ademide. That is it. I'm trying to explain every function. Like I said, I will explain everything one by one. I'm trying to look for what's related, something related to Olumide Ademide. So it's my major, like I say, who's your major suspect? Say Olumide Ademide is the major suspect. Now, on whose table array are you looking for it? What are we looking for about him? We are looking for his phone number. So the table array is this place, comma. The table array is that we are looking for the phone number of this person. So they now ask us column index number. You see now, column index number. Column index number. As what column? As what column? The column is, you count is this number. It's starting from the left to the right. Number 1, number 2, column 2, column 2. That's what you are looking for, column 2. You can stop here or continue. Let's stop here. Let's say column 2. See the phone number. Now, check Ademide phone number. What's Ademide phone number? It's 07074748593. 74748593. That's what he brought us for us. If you are looking for Ademide best day, so you can understand. The reason I want to do more function of this, you can understand better. You are looking for Ademide best day. We should use S lookup for it too, so you understand better. Yes, you fall under the S lookup later on. Now, we look up again. Enter. What lookup value? This. Comma. Table array. What that table array is? What you want to find? You can stop here. Birthday. Or select everybody. Column, what is the birthday? 1, column 2, this column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. The birthday is on the fourth column. So we write 4. So if you want to go further, I'm looking for, look at this. Exact match. Exact match. Of course, you can write it. So if you want to go further, that's that one. So Ademide was born on the 11th of July. Ademide was born on the 11th of July. So location. Now then I use this lookup to get all these answers all these things. Be preparing your question, because you'll be getting more other than this, but this is just short data set. Yeah, then I use S lookup and see the difference. Let's see what difference that make. So lookup value, comma, lookup array. Where is this name of this person? Lookup array. This is where the lookup array is. Lookup array. This is where the name of the person we are looking for. SLOOKUP is somewhat crazy than VLOOKUP. What are we looking for? We want this person to return with the birthday. Return arrays. Return the birthday of this man. Comma. If not found, what should we do? If not found, write not found. So we are going to professional now. Write not found if you do not see it. Exact match, yes, is 0. So we can stop here for now. What did you see? It brought the birthday of the person because that's what you look for. So ask your question before this is what VLOOKUP give us. VLOOKUP. So let me now do for HLOOKUP. Let me give one line space. SLOOKUP 2. Give us the same answer. Phone number. Birthday. Let's use location to add to this. For SLOOKUP is simple. So let's look for another person name. Let's say Ayola John. So equals to SLOOKUP. Lookup value. Ayola is the major suspect. Lookup array. Where's Ayola name is? Lookup array. Ayola name is on this place. So lookup array. What are we looking for? The full number, B. So it should be lookup array after comma. We are looking for the full number. Return array. Return array. What should the answer be? What should be the answer? If it's not found, what should be the answer? I will also show you that one too. If not found, come back with not found. Not found. So return with exact match. So you might not come to this place, so I'm not just adding Java to this one. Enter. I'll join. Say it's not found. Phone number is not found. Okay. Phone number is there now. Maybe something is wrong somewhere. Let me write the function. Let's look up value. Lookup array. Lookup array. Return array. You see, something is wrong. You see that it's coming with not available. So that means it's wanting us to lock some of the cell. You see now, this is where your asset cell reference knowledge will come in. It's wanting us to lock some of the cell because Aola is actually part of it. It's there. It's actually there. But it's actually wanting us to lock something. That's what it's trying. I think that's what it's trying to show us. That bro, something is obstructing my way here. So do something to it. I'm coming. Why is it showing not found? I'm coming. Let me go by Solum Day first. So from here, I will know where the problem is. Let me go back to John. Ayola John. Abi, I not spell the name. John, the heck? Ayola John. Look up value. Look up array. Look up array. Return array. Put number. If not found, I think I've gotten the colon. Isabella, can you hear me? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so I will see your screen better. Let me just trying to test everybody. VLOOKUP and SLOOKUP together. Let's see. Now we are looking for birthday. So return array changes to birthday. So please, take notes. If not found, return exact match 0. 10th of June, that's where they born Naira John. Correct. Location. Let's pick up. Look up value. Comma. Pick up array. Return array. I'm looking for location. So return array location. If not found, this is not necessary. Now, you see, the job of VLOOKUP and SLOOKUP is almost the same thing, but it's not the same. The functions are different. The functions in it are different. The inner functions are different from what. For I think SLOOKUP is more fast and better than VLOOKUP. That's why the Microsoft Office had to brought up SLOOKUP into it. So, any question? Any question?
No, but it's not really a question. You know me, it's not as if I want to take you back.
No. No. I'm not stressing that. If you're learning, you understanding is the best. Not wasting my tongue, wasting my chest.
Yes,
That's very important.
Yes, it's just for you to do it again. Probably.
We use another person's name.
No. Even I will not lie. I was just preparing my own table.
Okay, are you done with your table first?
Yes,
so
I'm done with my table. So the VLOOKUP and the XLOOKUP.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the VLOOKUP, what does it in particularly doing?
The VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP.
Yes, VLOOKUP, yes.
That V here stands for vertical.
Okay, vertical, and the X is horizontal.
No, the S is combination. I did it earlier now. I said I showed you.
Yes,
So
you did it earlier.
It's VLOOKUP plus HLOOKUP that form the SLOOKUP.
Yes,
The SLOOKUP
exactly.
can do anything. So long as V is that going vertical or horizontal, the SLOOKUP can do it. But you see this VLOOKUP can only do anything vertical. If this, let's say assume that we have a name. This name now is the name is like this. Like all this name is at this side. Phone number, like something like this. Let's say we have something like name like this. Phone number like this. CO. Phone number like this. Gender like this. I can transpose. Okay, let me just transpose. They don't need to be disturbing myself. Let me just transpose. I think I can transpose this. Conventional formatting. Control 1. So I say I can transpose this. There you go and find. I can transpose it. Once I transpose it, I will now. Once I'm able to transpose this thing, like look, it will now look like this. Once it look like this, that means the name of this person will not be like will not be in the front of this place. The reason why I'm saying this is that that's when we now use what we called the H lookup. This is when the H lookup come into play. That is when the H lookup come and play here. See it. It is when you are looking this in this direction. H lookup goes like this. So most data set now doesn't have its S lookup. Just go to S lookup. Once you have S lookup on your table, don't have to worry about anything. Just have to just bounce on it. Bounce on it yourself. Just keep bouncing on it. There's no need to be disturbing yourself. Once you have anything like this, you don't have any problem. Once you see S lookup in that table, just bounce. You are different. You already enjoy what we call free road. That is it. So most time we don't use H lookup zone. Many people don't even talk about it again. It's those days. But the reason why I'm using it now because you don't have it. You don't have it. So that's why I'm using it now. The reason why I'm using it now is because you don't have it. So say now. Transpose, yes. I want to copy space. I want to transpose this thing now. See it ahead. This is what I'm looking for. See it. At this point now, we can use what's
Sorry,
it
what
called?
shortcut did you use to transpose it like this?
Okay, I'll write it on my. Let me write it there. So let me write the method of. We call it with the we call paste special. Call it paste special. You copy the data set and paste it with sorry paste with control together with alt then V. See it. This is the shortcut. You copy the data sets then paste with control alt plus V. You will now give you the option that just come up. Do you get it? Can you see my screen? I hope you can see the screen.
Yes, sure. I can see it.
So copy and paste it with the control plus Alt plus V. So, but you know, every time you can also do it in manual way. I think yes, you can do it manually. Let's assume that we paste here. Let's copy this thing and paste manually. See it. The help us see paste special. See them. That paste option. You can see it. You see that paste option. You see it. You brought up what we call transpose.
Yeah, exactly.
So we don't need, you can just do it manually or do it anywhere you like. So this is horizontal. This is where H lookup is very, very deep here now. H lookup is a further here. It's not that can help us to find anything we are looking for. So most times, main data set comes, the best way to write the data set is not like this data set like this. In statistics, you say this is wrong, this is a wrong data set to some data set. You say this is not, you can't specify a data set like this. You don't believe in having a data set in this manner. A statistician will say no. So if we aim towards to convert it back to where we are coming from, which is having it in this what in a well prepared manner like this. So that's why most time it is VLOOKUP, either you use VLOOKUP or you have what SLOOKUP. So SLOOKUP, like you said, I should do it again. Let us do it again now. Let's just clear everything. Clear this one too. Clear this one too. So clear this one too. And let's start again. So HLOOKUP is equals to, now let's look at it. VLOOKUP, now that's the VLOOKUP section. I think if you learn these two things today. So we have this, you say it's VLOOKUP. What's your lookup value? I've explained it. Lookup value is the person you are targeting, the main target, the main suspect. The reason why you want to use a function. You want to look for Olumide, Ademide, his phone number, and his birthday. So I'll have to start in the beginning, like because most time you can do the two together as once. But no. So look for value, you click on lookup value, which is Olumide Ademide. Bah, you see it. Him is the one you are looking for. It's the lookup value. You can see lookup value. Then comma, once you put comma, it means you have seen your lookup value. See, this thing has gone in. The next person you are looking for is the table array. The table array. You select the table. You select the table. Like you select the table that link to where you are looking for. From name down to the phone number, because that's the phone number you are looking for. You can select everything, no. Nobody will kill you for it. You will do it in. You can select everything. Nobody can beat you for that. You see how to end at the same purpose. But because what we are looking for is just name and table, and we are looking for this table array that we need, what the table array that we need is these two. So now, once we have done with that, we are saying what's the column index number? This column meaning information that I need to go. Wow. This name is column 1. Phone number is column 2, which is what we are looking for. We are looking for his phone number. So that means the column we are looking for now is column 2. Table array. We have done that. Column 2 is what we are looking for. So you can close the bracket. You can close it and enter phone number today. Straight up. Phone number today straight up. So you can also use to check. Now, if you are checking for birthday, you look up. The lookup values remain the same person, which is midday. the table array. Now, you know, it's linking to the birthday. You have to select everybody here. You see it? Or select everything. Where you can commit anything for you. Select everything. The column index of the birthday is this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It's birthday we are looking for, so it's number 4. You press 4. Close the bracket. Enter. 11th of July. So do you get that?
Hold on, it's giving me not available.
No, that means you have done something wrong.
Yes.
Where are you exactly? Okay, share your screen instead of me. Share your screen, let me see.
Okay.
So we can work together like that. Let me stop sharing.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see your screen. So VLOOKUP, go to VLOOKUP. That place you already know. No, that not. Go to the first. It's VLOOKUP we are working on. That place you are working is the SLOOKUP. Go to VLOOKUP section.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. VLOOKUP. Tab it. Okay. Lookup value. No, don't go there. Good, comma.
Ma?
Table array. What are you looking for? The phone number, B.
Yes.
Good, comma.
Do I need
Comma.
to enter? It has entered, comma, it has entered already now.
Comma.
So
Good.
we now say the column.
The column index
So,
is number 2.
2.
Your phone.
Yes. 2.
Uh-huh.
Then I should close the tab.
Close it. Yeah, enter.
Okay.
So that's the phone number.
So why is it now bringing it when I was doing it?
It has brought it now for you now. So
Okay, let me try it again here.
this SLOOKUP. So try
Okay,
it.
so it might not bring it out again because
SLOOKUP.
it's
You know, it will give you the same thing now. Use it SLOOKUP. Where you do it.
no, because I put VLOOKUP here, so probably that will affect it. That might affect it.
No, it doesn't affect it. It should actually have the same answer there. If you use VLOOKUP in that section, it should give you the same thing. But this person is Ayola. You can do it.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, use VLOOKUP. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, click on that. Click on him. Okay, comma. We are not use comma.
Okay.
You're not put comma. You're not getting it. Clean it. No, clear it first. Go back. Clear it. You have done mistake already before you even start. Clear it. Clear everything that you have there first. Clear it to VLOOKUP side. Yeah, start again. Equal VLOOKUP. Yeah, your lookup value. Yeah, comma.
Okay.
That means you have chosen it. Now select. Yeah, comma again. Table array has done. Column index number 2. Yeah, close the bracket. So now check. Go back to the function you use. Go back. It should work. Let me see. This is VLOOKUP now, Abi?
Yes.
That's John. Sorry, that case 27, comma, and K 11 to L 18. Phone number 2. Okay. No, don't write anything. Don't worry.
Okay.
Leave it. Don't do anything. Something is wrong somewhere. Clear that thing first.
Okay.
Because it should work. It should actually work. It will work for you there. Do it again. Clear that Ayola John first. Call that Ayola John that you have in the middle. Do it again. VLOOKUP. Something is wrong somewhere. Probably. But I'm not saying what is wrong with that. Okay, I'll click Ayola John. Comma.
I like everything.
Okay. Comma. Okay. Number 2.
Index.
Close the color. The same thing.
Yes.
I'm not seeing your error in this one.
That is why I want to try it under the VLOOKUP. Probably that is what is possible.
No, because it seems to be not. Well, I don't know. Because for me to see it in that function, that means I do it under that one. Let's see. Because you do not boot. Do you boot those work?
No, I.
No, so it should work. We are continuing. Let's see. Yeah, no. Oh, okay. The same thing you see. So it's not. So it's not that part. There's something wrong in that. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that thing. I'm not seeing any mistake there. So use VLOOKUP. Let's see. Use VLOOKUp in our session. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you don't have VLOOKUp. Sorry, you don't have VLOOKUp. I've forgotten.
I don't know.
What now? What's now? Okay, change the name. Put on someone else's name.
Okay.
Remove Ayola John. Remove Ayola John in that place. Copy
Right.
and remove Ayola John. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, comma. Okay. Another 2. Okay. So that Ayola John, there's something, maybe the
There's something
spelling
wrong.
also.
Probably the spelling. Probably.
There's spelling something. Yeah, good one now. I don't know at all. Good. So do the birthday for Olumide John. Let's see. The birthday.
Okay.
Do the birthday for Olumide John. Olumide Ademide.
Okay. All right. We'll come here, right?
Yeah, sure. Come on, To birthday, Number what is that? Number close the bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it for GD Gray as well. Let's finish it like that.
Okay. VLOOKUP. GD, comma.
Yeah, comma.
Birthday, comma.
Close the bracket. So, correct. So that's it.
Okay. So this one is called what? VLOOKUP sign.
Yes, it's VLOOKUP. Yes, it's VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. When you are given a data set, and you are told to find, let me to look for the amount so person paid. The name of the person is who? So person. Sharp, you carry VLOOKUP. Find the person. ASAP, you don't get the answer.
Okay.
So find, essentially you use control and find. So Control F cannot find the total immediately. So VLOOKUP will just find it and give you the figure.
Okay.
So that's it. Do you have any question?
Nothing for now.
So the work you are doing now is you are going to be working on the aspect cell reference again.
Okay.
So I don't know how you want to do it. You are working. You are going to do it because it's simple. It's simple. It just depends on how you understand it.
Okay.
So you are going to do a normal, what's it called? A standard, like you want to print a book now. Maybe you want to produce a book. At the end of the book, they used to do 2 times 1 to 20. So use Excel to run it.
Okay.
I want you to use it. I want you to use Excel to run it. And you must correct too. Everything must correct.
Okay.
Like this now. So you are
Like
moving
this?
to 20. You are moving to 20.
Okay.
But it's not starting from 1, it's 2. This one is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
There will not be 1. There won't be 1. It's 2 to 20.
Okay.
I know. So let me stop recording. So
let me stop my sharing.
oh yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So stop the record.